Uninterruptible power supply systems, or UPS, are the unsung heroes ensuring that businesses remain operational during power disturbances. They protect vital equipment from outages and electrical anomalies. While regular maintenance keeps your UPS running, incorporating a comprehensive risk assessment elevates your power protection strategy. It involves identifying vulnerabilities, evaluating both technical health and external factors, and proactively addressing potential threats. Physical inspection: examine the UPS unit, batteries, and electrical connections for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Load analysis: ensure your system can handle connected devices without overloading by evaluating its load capacity. Environmental factors: assess temperature, ventilation, and humidity levels, as these can significantly impact UPS performance. Battery health check: regularly test batteries to confirm they're charged and functioning correctly. Event history review: analyze system logs for recurring issues or alarms that might indicate underlying problems. Remote monitoring setup: implement real-time tracking to swiftly address potential issues. Cost savings: proactive risk management reduces the likelihood of expensive repairs and unplanned downtime. Extended lifespan: regular assessments and maintenance can significantly prolong the life of your UPS and its components. Enhanced performance: a well-maintained UPS ensures consistent power delivery, safeguarding your operations. Peace of mind: confidence in your UPS system's reliability allows you to focus on your core business activities. Don't leave your critical operations to chance. Integrate risk assessment into your UPS maintenance strategy to ensure uninterrupted performance and long-term reliability.